Greetings to all lovers of high quality and stylish watches. Today I want to talk about Candino automatic C4309 watches. Candino is a Swiss brand known for its stylish and high quality timepieces. Model C4309 is a mechanical wristwatch for men that has been used before but is in excellent condition. The watch case is made of durable steel and has a diameter of 30 mm. Despite its compact size, the watch has good readability and convenient buttons on the side to control functions. The glass of the watch is made of mineral glass, which provides sufficient protection against scratches and damage. The leather bracelet is pleasant to the touch and complements the overall design of the watch, providing comfortable wear. The Candino Automatic is equipped with a mechanical movement ETA 2892 with a power reserve of 42 hours. This means that the watch will run for a long time without having to manually wind it. There are also hours, minutes, seconds, and date functions. The watch is not waterproof, but is splash-proof so you can wear it when it rains or while washing your hands. There are no flaws in the operation of the watch, and the dial is in good condition. All in all, the Candino Automatic is an elegant, reliable, and high-quality Swiss-made watch that will be a great addition to any watch collection. Best wishes, your Citadel watch.